There he is. He's coming closer. No, he's getting closer. Oh, look at his arm. He's mad. He went like this. Look at him right there.
Punch, like what?
Dang it.
Come on. Fly away.
He has only one arm down. Okay,
I want to see what
Junior.
I just want to see what.
No, he's too close now.
That's it.
Clever.
He has only one arm down. That means the other one's to attack. Look how pretty. Look, now you can see the front of him.
Come on, Hulk.
The Hulk. I can't even see him. Junior's big shoulders.
Shut up, this is going on YouTube. Stop moving so much. Come on, fly away.